We're gonna record Haldor snoring. We're gonna sneak up on him.
In other words, if you didn't carry out your assignment and eliminate that individual, you yourself were exposed to being eliminated. On October 10th, Joey Omasella is gunned down at the Marine Park Golf Course in Florida. Joey Omasella was basically a trainer. He was viewed as potentially weak, therefore he had to go. Up next on Mob Money, a Cuban television show is making a killing with audiences everywhere. Focus on a fictional New Jersey crime family whose tales of murder and mayhem are a little too similar to those of the real New Jersey mob.